What's up, LS4 Nation? I'm making this video for y'all and YouTube, so subscribe to my YouTube, hit the post notification bell so you can see whatever I post, you know, LS4 SS. Alright, this is what this about. So, boom, here's my story. I bought a remanufactured power steering pump from O'Reilly's. I put it in the car, and it was still whining. I took it back out. This is the second one. Now, I didn't put this one in. It's still new, still remanufactured new and stuff. I haven't opened it. So I have my old one on there that I thought was bad, which it wasn't. So what I did today was I listened to what everybody else said, and they told me to check my pulleys. Now, this pulley is the old one from here. That's the new one. Long story short, that new one stopped the whining noise. There's no more whine coming from my car. It was not the power steering pump. Still have the power steering pump. This is the old pulley. So I'm just basically letting you guys know, if you're getting this sound, try your pulleys first before you do a power steering pump. Before you do a line or anything, do your pulleys. It's the one that's right here. I showed here, right next to the power steering pump. Power steering pump. And you got the groove pulley, not a smooth. It's groove pulley. So I just wanted to make this because we all been having this issue with these Impalas. Even if it's a V6, I've been seeing everybody's just been having these issues. So I mean, I think people should try to check this first so you don't go my route. I bought this remanufactured power steering pump for no reason. Hopefully I can take it back, I don't know. But I just wanted to make this video to show y'all that, help everybody out. I know everybody's tired of that whining ass sound, and we have it bad with these vehicles. So I've heard people say it was the harmonic balancer. It's not my harmonic balancer, it's not the power steering. It is not my low pressure line. This is the low pressure line right here, or return line. It's not that. It's not these hose clamps I've heard people say. Change those out, which I'm actually gonna do anyway, because the ones that you tighten with the screwdriver is a lot better. So I am gonna change that. But it wasn't the power steering pump. Man, this thing sounds so much better. Let me just crank it one more time. Yep, solid.